Yeah. Okay. Uh, Good afternoon, impactful people. I'm sorry, I cannot attend offline in Bali, but it's honor. Today I can share a little bit about the how we find about the potential reducing carbon emission. But we have do Desi before explain about the potential of collaborate with the forestry. Uh, Not in transportation, etc. But today I will focus about water and sanitation. This is the background what we do with Jamban and with our collaborate our collaborator with in threat and degree project. Yeah, the water use actually is a major in greenhouse emission. People in the world, not only in Indonesia, uh, if they discuss about the potential global warming, they usually focus about okay, what are the ministry, what every kind of burning, but they forget some usual daily habit that we need use water, and water people always forget about the potential of greenhouse gases that impact the global warming impact to create the wastewater to become the clean water again and distribute and etc. I want to explain and share about this is the real water life cycle that maybe uh, we forget about the water. First, water needs 6 steps. When we use the water in the toilet, in the kitchen, and etc. That okay. First, the water need to acquire. They collect it from the all facility, home, hotel, restaurant, building, etc. And then after that, the wastewater need to be clean. They need a filtration, and maybe they need the chemical treatment. And after that, the water need to distribute. They need the big energy to spread from the uh, storage to become in our house, in our building, in our office, etc. And then we consume that. It's need the electricity, it's need the energy also in our home, in our office. And after that, after we use the water, we need to collect. Maybe the government with the uh, truck, maybe uh, with the sewage and etc. And after that, they need to treat again. The cycle is will be round and round like this, and this need in the cycle need the big energy. Maybe uh, have we noticed about the our water have a carbon footprint? This is the last research that in the world used from the past research. The, the carbon emission per cubic meter is still low, but when after we scrutinize about the real carbon footprint in this year, we find that the 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 per cubic meter of water that we use, they have a carbon emission 10.6 kilogram. Maybe Indonesia in rural area maybe have a bigger point, but this is the the average that we have found. And of course, we are our shower room in home, in public service, and office, and etc. make a greenhouse uh, when we use the water. I want to share the unique thing about the restroom fact that you know 2 until 4% the facility in office in public area have a leak water, and you know that 500 liter clean water per hour typically leak with the toilet flow, and you can imagine there is emit 4.5 tons of greenhouse gases per year, and the leak of water uh, there is result 13-ton emission per year, identical with the 3 passenger cars. So our toilet right now is like our car that creating carbon day to day, every single day, if you use it. This is what we found about the important about the sanitary fact. So it's become the background with our project, our unique project. I will explain after that. That this is the difference about the usage of the water between the old device and the new device that we use that have a feature focus in water saving. If you scrutinize them, every single device has different use of water. If we use the new devices, we can result uh, we can save the water around 10 until 15 liters per user, not only per unit, but when we use it, we save 10 until 15 liter. You can imagine if we can use it massively, so the impact will be more massive. That's why me with Jamban and Lixil and also to Kahutam and our college, we try to create a unique initiative to uh, try to make not only solve about the problem of sanitation in Indonesia, but also we try to make a good impact in save the water, and also the next target is to create to reduce the carbon emission of the usage of the water and the chemical body in the toilet. This is uh, one of our project in Bali with the Pak Sandi has attended them. The idea is very simple, actually, that what we do, if you the problem in Indonesia, people 90 people in when come or people in Indonesia, it's very difficult to find the good toilet. That's why if they come to the public area, what they seek is the good one of the toilet, and the standard is one. So we build and retrofit the old toilet. But what we focus is we redesign about the design of the toilet to become the more environment friendly, and also the device we change it with the water saving sanitary device. This is maybe simple, but if you find the next step, what we do is we train the janitors. We forget the janitors actually is the people in the toilet day to day that can use the more water and chemical unresponsible. So we try to train the janitors to make okay. You if you clean this toilet, you use the water uh, will more responsible, and you use the chemical not day to day every hour use chemical because it will make the pollution. And also not only we train them to clean more responsibly, we try to train them how to quick respond if they see the leak of the water in the toilet. In the previous slide, we know that the leaky toilet, if not repair quickly, it will make a ton of waters leak every single day. And the unique side is, okay, we digitizing the toilet operation. If we put the sensor, so we know where the leaky spot, and also we try to manage the supervising the janitors and the building with the apps and also with dashboard, so we know the real-time condition about the toilet, because the public toilet used by people 100 people, ton of 100 people, and it's easy to broken and make the water leakage. The past is about the what we do, and this is the unique side about why our solution. We try to create not only a soft sanitation problem, we try to create a carbon credit. Maybe after this we can collaborate about the community. Yeah, this is the example what we do. This is the one of cubicle toilet in Jogja in public area. We make this project because before we built the other project, we tried to retrofit the old one toilet. This is the only one cubicle, and this cubicle we try to scrutinizing and we research about what people do. Actually, each public toilet per cubicle, they operate 10 hours per day, and people, they can use 60 until 120 users per day. And after we installing the water saving sanitary device from the person before, we find that we can save the water 600 under 1,200 liters per day per cubicle from the users. And this is we can prevent a formation of carbon emission about 6.3 until 12 kilogram per day per cubicle. So you imagine if we have 1,000 million cubicles in Indonesia, how much carbon emission that we can prevent. And also to validate this achievement of our target, we try to we put the sensor and digitize the every single cubicle. So we find the equation about how much water saving that we can make before and after to make a carbon credit. So what next step, what we do, we have a commitment when we start this project. We have commitment to build or retrofit minimum 1,000 public toilets spread in all public area, focusedly in tourism spot, transportation hub, and also maybe in the garden, etc. In every city in Indonesia to become the first step of our program. And the next step is we open up the potential collaboration with various stakeholders. Maybe they want to develop our technology together with us. Maybe our stakeholder want to invest from the building and for research and development from the new technology. We're very open. And also we research and develop and to validate is this our target is can achieve the impact, or maybe we need to do something to achieve our target. This is the impact target from our program with Jamban and Toilet Negeri. First, this is the equation that we need to achieve with if we can achieve the 1,000 public toilet in 3 until 5 years. This is the hypothetical positive impact. First, because we tell about the sanitation, we try to make 100.9 million people in Indonesia focusedly every year get better access in public sanitation. And also we want to save 1.6 billion liters of clean water with our technology. And also we try to create the potential carbon emission reduce more than it's not big enough if we compare with the forest and etc. But it's not it's quite good if we can implement this in more toilet in Indonesia. It's more than 17,000 tons of potential carbon emission, and the uniqueness is we can have a potential circulation of cash and money for investment more than 100 million US dollar per year per 1,000 public toilet. And also we try to open the job opportunity. The minimum people that get job in this project is more than 6,000, and also we try to collect the human solid waste, and this is we have research right now to make some new product from the human solid waste to prevent the water pollution. When the ton of potential human solid is more than 7,000 tons per year. And we are very, very open to collaborate with all stakeholders to achieve, and we can work together to make a great impact. Okay. Thank you. Maybe we can discuss. Maybe there is some question from the moderator, maybe from the audience. Thank you.